First of all, thank you for being here, tuning into this channel. I'll be sharing with you a popular technique for energy shielding, making you stronger to external influences, knowing what is yours versus what is someone else's, and also just strengthening our energetic field in general to our environment. So our energetic field shielding. The first way to connect with the energetic field is by just moving your arms up to the top of your head and over to the sides. Maybe doing the wave and getting familiar with your space. This is your space. We're responsible for ourselves and 3 feet around us. And so the visualization I'm going to guide us through is imagining ourselves in a crystal bubble that starts above our head, comes down the sides to below our feet, and then also comes up from our feet to above our head, down from our head to below our feet. So just relax as you begin to welcome yourself to stretch out a little bit. When we have uncertainty, we can try to grip on to whatever we can. And normally we tend to grip onto anxiety. So let's just lighten our grip and stretch out a little bit. So the first way for energy shielding is to just check in with yourself and loosen up a buckle. Become aware that you have your physical body and then also your energetic body. I've become quite drawn to the space right around our body, a foot, 2 feet in front of us, and begin just to weave your hand in a figure 8 motion, or maybe in a clockwise motion. And again, just imagine you have this shield of air around you. You can imagine a spacesuit. It's like you're polishing it. Following your hands if you want to switch over to maybe get an opposite arm. Just polishing yourself off. And breathing as you just connect in with the present moment, or even if your thoughts are wandering, notice how you're feeling. If it feels good, maybe it feels awkward. And if it feels awkward, to do it even more, because it means your energy has lost its ability to pattern. So it doesn't know which way to flow. And so when we work with our energetic field, it's like we're strengthening the skin of our energy systems. We're strengthening the elasticity so that it can remember how to move, how to flow. I have noticed a big smile coming to my face. What is coming to you now? What's so fun when we begin to work with our energy is we can honor whatever is arising. Could be a negative thought, could be anxiety, it could be bliss. Just meeting it and knowing that whatever you're doing, if it's an uncomfortable thought, you're clearing it out. And if you're feeling a little better, you've just brought more balance to your body, to all of your wholeness. And so then bringing your hands down onto your thighs, that is a great shielding technique to do. It's a great way to connect in with your energetic field. And just close your eyes for a moment and notice what you're feeling in your body. And welcome energy to flow down the legs and out the feet. Welcome yourself to feel a little safer. And you can say to yourself, I am me and only me. A great mantra to say to begin to understand what is yours and what is someone else's. I am me and only me. And as we say that, it's almost like energetic cords are being slashed and we're coming more into a higher frequency. So now I'll guide you through the shielding technique. So begin to continue. Keep breathing. How are you doing today? Welcome the thoughts to flow off the body. Notice the space around your body. What are you feeling above your head? Behind the head, in front of the head, the sides, to the front of your body, to the back. And with your eyes closed, begin to visualize yourself in a crystal bubble of light. Connecting in with the outline of the bubble, starting on the outermost layer. And with every exhale, bring this crystal light in closer to your body. Welcoming it to come in and bathe your energy field. Welcoming it now to come into the body, into the pores of the skin. Letting yourself becoming bathed in light. Imagining crystal light coming down into the top of the head, shimmering down the body, almost like you're experiencing a nice light sprinkle of water. Welcoming the light to come into the body. And begin to scan the energy around you. And notice if there's any places that feel a little dull, a little blocked. And just imagine yourself in a crystal bubble being completely charged with light. Or anywhere where you feel like there's a hole or a block is just being cleansed and rebalanced. So your auric field becomes purified. And as you welcome that light to come into your body, into your blood, into the spaciousness that you are. This should bring a sense of vibrating and relaxing into that tingling sensation. As with this cleansing light, anything that is not of clean, high vibration is just being cleansed. Feeling yourself strengthened. This exercise is great to do every night before you go to sleep. Bringing in the discipline to bring yourself and to imagine yourself in a crystal bubble of light will do wonders. We pick up a lot of energy each day that isn't ours. And this really supports us to recalibrate, stay balanced, stay centered as we go through this very expansive time in our life. Thank you for taking this time for you to learn how to strengthen yourself. Deep bow, lots of love. Namaste.